Okay, so today is December 15th, 2022, and this is another installment of Anarchist literature, and we'll see what we got. So today, in the past, I used to call these the presses that I was buying from their friends. This is the Friends of programs that they run. Today, I actually just went to the mailbox, and I don't know how you'll be able to see it. On the yellow one, you can see it better. AK Press. Um, one of my one of the older presses I actually do subscribe to. I wish I had actually subscribed to them back in the day. I wish I actually had done the CDs and other stuff that they used to do. In fact, I might try to grab those and maybe see if I can't republish them or see what's up with them because they used to do some really cool stuff. Yeah, so I'm gonna make this short and sweet. So this is Liberation to the Bone. This is a series of books I don't know anything about. I haven't looked it up yet. That's cool. Pretty sure these are first printings probably. Condition brand new because I will be reselling these on our eBay shop. Time Change Press. And then Street Rebellions, or I think it's what it is. Violence and Novelization. And that's the cover for that. I think that's the coolest. That would make a really cool poster if I'm not being biased. So that would make that would make a really cool. This one would make a really cool poster. And let's see. Let's see. But yeah, probably going to I'll probably put up this video probably later tonight, um, or early tomorrow, or first thing tomorrow morning. um, yeah, and then let's see. So this is 22 US for this one, and the other one is 22 US also. Okay, so this is the cover designed by this one, so that's good to know. That's something eBay will ask us for. And yeah, this should be cool. Yeah, I mean, if anyone wants to check out our eBay, it's the same name as the YouTube, all one word, and we've got a lot of really good stuff for really good dirt. I wouldn't say dirt cheap prices, but most things are either a little bit higher than manufacturer prices in some cases, or they're right at manufacturer MSRPs. But this was a part of my AK Friends of AK um, package. I can't remember. I think I paid about $25. I paid about $25 a book for this service, and yeah, that's how I get the books. So peace out.